Close the door. Pass me the salt, please. Let's go for a walk. Turn off the lights before you go to bed. Come and join for us dinner. Take your shoes off before entering the house. Write your name and address on this paper. Please speak more clearly. Take a break and relax for a few minutes. Listen carefully to what the speaker is saying. Put your phone on silent mode during the meeting. Enjoy the rest of your day. Clean up your room before going to bed. Be on time for your appointment. Pack a raincoat in case it rains. Wash your hands before eating. Turn off the lights before you leave the room. Listen to the instructions carefully. Don't forget to take your keys with you. Close the window, it's getting cold. Start the car and let's go. Sit down and relax for a moment. Brush your teeth before going to bed. Open the window to let in some fresh air. Remember to drink plenty of water. Wake up early and go for a walk. Finish your homework before watching TV. Brush your teeth before you go to bed. Close the window before it starts raining. Take your medication as prescribed. Wake up early tomorrow to catch the flight. Call me when you reach home safely. Eat your vegetables if you want to grow up strong. Get some rest, you look tired. Come here and give me a hug. Open the window and let some fresh air in. Don't forget to call your mom tonight. Take out the trash before you go to bed. Start the car and let's hit the road. Listen carefully to what I'm about to say. Get dressed and we'll head to the park. Speak up so everyone can hear you. Turn left at the next intersection. Bring me a glass of water, please. Don't touch that, it's hot. Write down your phone number for me. Put your seatbelt on before we start driving. Sing the chorus with me. Take a deep breath and relax. Please be quiet, I need to concentrate.